live, YouTube live. This live is to tell about my new ebook. Okay, let me first share the link on social media like Twitter and LinkedIn. Okay, if you're watching this video and if you feel that my new book will be useful for others, you can share this link. Actually, I'm running free offer. I mean, Kindle book offer, free Kindle book. That means you can get it for free from Amazon Kindle book version, and I hope it's a good opportunity to freely get this ebook, new ebook. You can tell about this offer to your friends just by sharing this video, or you can share the Amazon link. But in case of Amazon link, it will vary based on the country, right? Suppose if someone is trying a .com from their India-based location, and that case they may be they may not be able to uh, download it, or they may face some difficulty, right? So in that case, better you can point this share this YouTube live. That case it will be useful for them to get any clarification. Okay, that is the purpose of having these kinds of YouTube live. Okay, recently I decided to start doing a lot of YouTube live sessions. Previously my live sessions won't be suggested to the viewers, but recently if I start using these kinds of web interface provided by YouTube, my live video is getting suggested to few people, not much. I hope it's a good start. I'll be using this opportunity, and I will keep on having a lot of live discussions, especially after completing these kinds of promotional things. I will be like regularly discussing about various interesting topics. Previously I started doing that kind of things, but I put a hold for some time. Now I will be start doing it again. Okay, so I shared that. If you have any questions you can ask me. Let me share my screen also. I'm sharing my entire screen. Okay, and I will pop out chart, otherwise it's difficult to see this. Okay, I will hide this. Okay, so this video is about this start learning AI today, a beginner's guide to. It will be available for free at this particular link. Okay, I provided that link in the description of this video, but still I'm sharing it through chat. But if you're watching from India, you have to check it at this link. I will be sharing that link. Okay, and similarly, if you are in other countries, like if you are in UK, you have to check relevant UK site, corresponding UK site. Okay, let me first check whether that live is going smoothly, especially audio. I will check it from my mobile. If things are going well, I will start telling about this book. But this book is very obviously anyone can easily understand. It is targeting the beginners who want to learn AI in an easy to understand way. Previously, I published a lot of books. My AI course includes 9 AI-related ebooks, but that are not exclusive for anything, right? I can sell it from my site. I can sell it from Amazon like that. But this one, it is exclusive for Amazon. I included it in Kindle, that KDP Select program. I will check the audio. Is exclusive for Amazon. Okay. The audio is okay. So let me continue this. And as I said, it is exclusive for Amazon. Okay. So in that case, Amazon is allowing me to do the free promotion for a few days. That means totally 5 days for 3 months. So I selected 3 days, 5, 6, 7, but I don't know the seven because of time zone difference, everything. I'm just highlighting that it is for 5 and 6. Okay, so that 5 and 6 it will be there fully. Seventh, because it follows PDT time. In case of PDT time, it will be like including seventh also. Okay, so it is available for free for 2 or 3 days. Okay, you can just make use of this opportunity, and you can just tell about this offer to your friends also. Let me just go through the description. Okay, this cover image I created with the help of ChatGPT. Even the content for writing that content, mostly I taken the help of ChatGPT. Okay, but like ChatGPT, we need to be very careful in case of model context window. I asked ChatGPT to create a chapter for that based on my input, but initially it was telling completely irrelevant things. Okay, suppose if you are planning to write any kinds of ebooks with the help of ChatGPT, never try to do for the topics which are not relevant to you. Okay, you should be good at that topic, then only you have to use ChatGPT. Otherwise, because of the hallucination issues, it will be completely go wrong. Okay, okay, I will zoom it. Okay, start learning AI today. I thought it's a very common topic, but surprisingly, when I searched at Amazon.com, particularly, my book was coming first. There are no other books. Okay, so previously I already released book with the topic unlocking AI. That is a complete guide. Okay, that includes everything. But as I said, that I included in my AA course. Suppose if you want to buy my AA course, you can get it from my blog. You have to visit my blog by searching QPT space blog. Okay, and it will open like blog.qualitypointtech.com, and there you can find this link: limited time offer, get the AA course, 8 plus hours of videos and 9 AA ebooks for just 300 rupees or $8, right? You can just click that link, and there you can find QR code for buying it from my using my UPI ID, or you can directly send payment to my UPI ID that I mentioned here, rajamanikam.ai to OKICSA. Okay, or Instamerger link you can use. It is for people in India. People in other countries can use my PayPal link or my PayPal ID. My PayPal account ID is same as my this email ID, like I somewhere I specified, right? rajamanikam.a@gmail.com. Suppose if you have any questions, you can ask by sending email to me. I will share that email ID through this chat. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can right now you can ask, or if you want to discuss some business related information. In that case, if that means if you want to share some confidential things, maybe you can use email ID. Okay, I provided my WhatsApp number also, but don't use it primarily use my email ID. Suppose I am not checking your email or not giving any reply, in that case maybe you can just give a reminder by sending WhatsApp message, but never make a call. Okay, um, so this recorded course you can get it for just 300 rupees, or in case of global audience it is just $8 through PayPal. Okay. What I'm trying to say here is I have a lot of other AI related ebooks. That books are included in this course itself. Okay. That means if you are buying it by paying just 300 rupees, apart from around 9 hours of uh, tutorial videos, you can get uh, like uh, 9 AI related ebooks. That is what I wanted to highlight here. But this particular ebook, that new ebook, it's completely new. Okay, as I said, it is exclusive to Amazon. That book won't be there in my course, but that course, that a lot of books are covering all the things. This one just for the purpose of promoting my other books. I start off adding this because this new book I can include in the uh, free Kindle, that uh, unlimited that thing, so people can freely access. The premium members can access it freely. K in read that Kindle pages reading. Based on that, the Amazon will be making payment to me, and other than that, I can give it for free during these kinds of Kindle free promotion offer days, 5 days per 3 months. Okay, So for that purpose, I thought of creating completely new book, and it will be exclusive for Amazon. Okay, that's a new the title are also very unique. So better you can remember this topic. Start learning AI today. Suppose if you want to tell it to your friends, either you can share it the link, or you can just say that okay, search for start learning AI today, and just tell them that book title. They may search it. Okay, but I haven't added paperback. I added audiobook. Audiobook in the sense it is auto created with AI. Okay, virtual voice. Here you can check the voice sample. If it is okay, you can check audiobook also. But today and tomorrow it will be that Kindle version itself for free, right? So in that case, I would suggest downloading Kindle version, because that Kindle version will be having hyperlinks to relevant topics. Suppose if I want to explain something RAG means, I will be giving links to my RAG tutorial video. Okay, in that case, I would suggest uh, giving preference to Kindle version. That is the reason why I haven't created paperback. Paperback simply I can just Amazon will be automatically copying title, description, everything. I need to just give the backside cover that details. That's enough. But I don't want to give that to encourage the people to buy the Kindle version. Okay, suppose if you want to buy paperback version, maybe you can try my other books, especially that Unlocking AI. It's a very very good book. I created that book with a lot of hard work. This new book, it's a very simple book. Okay, only 66 pages, but it's giving all the details, like starting from what is AI, like that. Very simple thing. Okay, because I needed to keep it exclusive, right? So I don't want to spend more time. So I created it with very limited time. Okay, I haven't spent much time to tell the truth. Okay, but anyway, it will be for beginners. It will be very easy, and it will be somewhat useful. That is why I prefer to promote it during these kinds of free promotions only. But my other books that are included within my AA course, that are available with Amazon also. But I cannot run the free offers because they are not exclusive, right? So in that case, Amazon won't allow me to run that kind of things. But this book, 2 days back I talked, right? This is also new book. This new book I included in Amazon. So basically, recently I decided to like do the business like Amazon, selling Amazon books as a main thing. Previously, I thought of doing it through my website rajamanikan.com, RAJAMANICK.com. I already talked about that. Once after I faced difficulties with YouTube, that AdSense advertisements, I realized the danger or risk of big companies' monopoly. So I thought of doing everything individually, instead of selling books through Amazon, I thought of selling it through my own site like rajamanikan.com. But right now I face some difficulty in doing promotions. Okay, I needed to spend a lot of money to that, so I will be doing it step by step. It's a long term project, but time being, otherwise I cannot get any feedback, anything, right? So though I decided to give it for free from my website rajamanikan.com, that case also it is bit difficult to offer it free without having a strong promotion network. Okay, in that case, better time being, I can concentrate on Amazon book sales also. Other advantages, Amazon is providing this audiobook, virtual voice based audiobook, and paperback version will be there. So it's a huge network, right? Amazon has a lot of affiliates, and through them it will easily promote it. And previously I faced that experience, but because of my bad experience with the YouTube, I thought Amazon can also behave like YouTube in someday, right? In the coming days. Okay, so I thought of doing everything myself individually. Okay, like even in case of AI also, I prefer local LLMs instead of API based LLMs. Okay, they at any time they can immediately increase the charge, right? So I prefer everything in local instead of cloud if it is able to provide the same speed, same accuracy, same features, right? That is what my recent change because of my personal experience, bad experience with YouTube. But it's true. While doing a lot of analysis for creating my book about Google monopoly, I studied a lot of papers and articles, and I have gone through various discussions, lawsuits, and I realized that almost all the big companies are behaving that way only. So we cannot trust fully Amazon for simple thing. They can do anything without any warning or things, and getting support from them also very difficult. So in that case, I thought of doing it individually. But again, rajamanikam.com also, it's available with Gumroad. So it again depends on one another company, right? So I don't know whether there will be that much difference between Amazon and Gumroad, right? So that instead of like doing it individually, maybe I can take it as I need to use two things instead of depending on one thing. So for my experience, instead of depending on YouTube alone, I might have like parallelly put that videos on Vimeo or any other platforms also. That is what I learned. So I'm just adopting this policy. I'm putting my AA courses at various platforms like rajamanikam.com, Gumroad based site, and here you can see that, right? That recorded AI course, and I'm selling it from my blog, as I explained few minutes back here, and I'm selling it from Udemy also. You can search for Udemy Rajamanikam. Okay. Udemy also here that course title is AI for beginners, AI basics, prompts, AI development, RAG. So here, also I am selling from here also. Suppose if you are planning to join my live AA course, if you want to check my way of teaching and my ass and other things, maybe you can go through these free preview videos. I made a lot of videos as free, uh, free in the sense free preview. That videos we can watch fully. Okay, a lot of videos are there including RAG, everything. You can just check it. Okay, that is completely different topic. I already talked about that previously. Let me continue this one. What I'm trying to say is this particular new book is like exclusive to Amazon. Other books, if you want to learn completely, the other books are there that included in my I mean AA course, recorded AA course. But for some reason, if you want to uh, buy that from Amazon, either because of the compatibility with Kindle. Again, if you buy my A course, there also that book will be available in both PDF format and ebook format, so that you can easily read from Kindle. Okay. Okay. Anyway, for some other reason, maybe for reading from paperback version or listening to audio book, that if you want to do it from Amazon, you can check it. You can just search that. Okay, a lot of books are there. Just click my name, Rajamanikam Anthony Mittal, search for that and check all books. I already talked about this particular topic in very detailed way a few days back. If you want, you can check that video. But here I'm just going to refer that only that AI related books. Okay, this one exclusive to Amazon. This one Agentic AI recently released. I will be updating it further. This old one, this is useful for Python developers, especially for AI doing AI development, and the Power App, AI for entrepreneurs, selling AI courses, Snowflake. This one, Unlocking AI. It's a very very useful one. Very like I did lot of hard work. Okay, but someone intentionally put this negative review comment. Okay, that is the reason why others are not interested in buying it. For that, to correct that, I just thought of giving free review copies and getting reviews, but I don't know whether Amazon will be how it will be taking it, but it's allowed only. But I don't know that platforms how to do that. Suppose if I'm asking some freelancer to do that, they may be doing it in a wrong way. So I don't want to follow that way. So but I put lot of efforts and for creating this book. So only way is like I will be telling about this in all my uh, live courses and these kinds of live sessions and webinars, so that people who are really understanding the usage of this one, they may be buying it, and if they like it, they will be adding ratings that will compensate that, right? And suppose if you are buying it and if you have negative comments, feel free to share that feedback with me, so that I can improve it. So if people start buying it, I'll be keep on updating it. I will be spending significant time for updating it frequently. Okay, so you can go through that. You can go through free sample, read sample, everything. But this book I cannot make it available as free because it is not exclusive to Amazon. That is, it is not included inside the KDP Select program. Okay, that means you cannot freely read through that Kindle Unlimited also. Okay, but in case of this new book, whatever book I am highlighting in this live session, this book Start Learning AI Today, that you can freely get it, but it's a very very simple book compared to Unlocking AI. Unlocking AI, it's a full-fledged, I put a lot of hard work for creating content, reviewing it, arranging it, and like interlinking to give links to my uh, blog post for giving more details, and making it unique by looking for duplicates, and I did a lot of hard work. Okay, so even that FAQ section itself, I created a lot of pages. Okay, and I tried my best to explain them to the people who are in very different kinds of fields. Okay, domains. So in that perspective, this book is a really good book, and it is very useful. I'm telling referring this Unlocking AI. So if you want to do AI development, if you want to use it in your business, but this one also, it will start with in a simple way, but it will be having advanced things also. Okay, but this book I released a few months back. That is one things. But this book, very simple book, I recently released. So it has advanced topics like MCP, line graph, that things. But it's a very very simple. Okay, it's just as a starting. So introduce the AI to the beginners, and it will be freely available for Kindle Unlimited users for reading it at Kindle Unlimited freely. And this during this free offers, you can freely download it. Okay, if you like this book, you can share your ratings and reviews, but don't have much expectation. As I said, I created it with a very short time period, but it will be really useful. Let me show the preview from my Google Doc file. Or you can first, I will show that sample from here itself, right? Read sample. Okay. So let me check any question is there. So no other questions. So I will keep on talking. Check whether I will check whether anyone is watching this. Suppose if there are any audio issues, remember to tell about that. Okay. So only one person is watching. Suppose if you are uh, like uh, facing any difficulty in hearing my voice, just to let me know through the chat. I'll be checking it frequently. Okay, this is the preview, free sample. Okay, so here itself, I provided a link to my joining to this live AI training. Okay, or recorded course. If you are interested, you can make use of that opportunity. Okay, see here, in a very very simple way. If you go through that free sample, you can understand. It is for beginners, but slowly other advanced topics will be introduced. Okay, so you can just check that, and I will show that page from. I am curious to know whether I shared my screen or not. I will check that again. So sometimes, like during my live session, one time I forgot to share that link. Okay, now I shared it. Okay, no problem. Maybe I will share it on Twitter. I already shared, right? Okay, I will share it from my mobile also. If anyone is watching, just remember to share it with others. if you feel that this book will be useful for them, straight away you can share the Amazon link, or you can share this video. Okay. um okay, just I will be opening doc.google.com. Actually, I had a lot of plans to come up with new books. Mostly, the next few months, I will be providing exclusive Amazon books based on my previous. Because I have written a lot of books, but I find it difficult to market it. So I thought of allowing Amazon to market it. But for that, I needed to I spend a lot of time in putting in various platforms. Right, I don't want to change that things completely. So instead, I will be spending additional time to come up with new books. Okay, that new books will be available with Amazon Kindle Select. Okay, so here it is the index. Okay, so you can just go through that. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3 is create with AI, images, music, and more. I tried my best to include the relevant links to Google Music, Alarm, Runway, Alarm, Synthesia. Okay, and the next chapter is, can we trust AI? It is all about hallucinations or things, right? But here I just explained them in a very beginner perspective only with the help of chat GPT. But in my videos, I already uploaded many videos for talking about hallucination from technical perspective in a detailed way, especially for when teaching about the RAG. I explained them in a more detailed way. Okay, so it is about RAG, why we need RAG, that kind of stuff. Okay. So if you want more details, maybe you can check my tutorial videos. But that tutorial video also I uploaded around 5 months back. Okay. So I have a plan. I have a plan for creating new video with the more details. Okay, that I'll be doing in a few weeks. Suppose if you want to get that kind of updates, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get notification. You need to remember to click the bell icon for getting the notification, right? So I specified this Google Notebook LM as a best example. I always tell about that in my live sessions also. So you can do it practically without knowing anything about coding or vector databases, right? Okay, so next chapter is MCP. Okay, so here it is like a bit it's not well organized. I understand because I already have a lot of books, right? So I don't know whether it will be individually treated or some people will be just some people who already gone through my all books. If they are seeing it, so it should have some additional information, right? So my plan was giving some basic information, then giving advanced thing. That is how this book created. Okay, suppose if you are very beginner, maybe you can stop reading from up to here and then you can just leave it. Okay, so it has some updated talk. But I avoided talking about machine learning, deep learning, because from a personal perspective, AI, it is like moreover a black box, right? So maybe we can consider that also as like for common people, very common people. So that people who are targeting for this book. Okay, but the MCP other things they have to know because if they are going to use cloud desktop or something, they can use some of without any coding. Also, they can add MCP servers, right? So it is important to know the fundamentals, basics, what is MCP, that kind of stuff, right? So I thought of including that kind of information and lang graph just to give some awareness about what is happening with the recent things. Okay, what are AI agents? So lang chain and other topics like AI agents using lang chain and lang graph use cases, real world use cases, and building first AI project, simple chatbot, AI chatbot with the help of lang chain and the stimulus UI. Okay, so that's it. So it's a very simple book, as I said. It has only like 34 pages only. Okay. And but for beginners, it is a good start to learn AI. And if you want more details, you can freely read from my blog. Come to my blog and just to go through these blog posts. It has a lot of blog posts. Okay. All my recent blog posts are mostly related to AI. It has hundreds of blog posts. Okay. And playlist of videos. This link, click that link. Here you can see a lot of tutorial videos. What is AI? A simple guide for beginners, famous and useful AI tools, prompt engineering tutorial, AI jargon for beginners, Google Teachable Machine, the easiest way to train AI. So you can just go through that things, starting from simple things to LangGraph, MCP, computer vision using YOLO, a lot of things. Actually I put a lot of efforts for creating these videos. Okay. And now I am in the process of monetizing it by start selling recorded courses, doing live AI trainings, and I have plans for doing one-on-one coaching, all paid things. Already I did a lot of free things. Okay. And now I am just monetizing the things. If you like this, you can share it with others, and if you have any feedback, you can share it with me, especially any negative feedback or your suggestions for improving it further. Just to let me know. So someone, cup chap pani puri. So thanks for your comment. Thanks for your efforts. Yeah, thanks for your comments. All your comments are encouraging me to do these kinds of stuff. Okay. Okay, so as I was talking, uh, right now I am in the process of like um, monetizing my efforts. Okay, almost 1 year, almost hardly full time, like 6 months. I have been doing a lot of hard work to learn AI, to go through various discussions about AI, and I spent a lot of time in separating the real AI growth from the AI hype. Okay, so based on all these things, I have come up with these things. I agree that my way of teaching, my English speaking, that and all, that may not be that much good to the all kinds of audience. But I can surely say that the quality of that content and the genuinity, other things are really good. And suppose mistakenly, if some mistakes are there, surely I'll be updating it, correcting it based on your feedback. So I expect a lot of feedback, especially negative feedbacks. So feel free to share that with me. And if you like the really like this, share it with others, and you can add your feedback, ratings and reviews at other places like Amazon, Udemy, and rajamanikam.com, Gumroad site, everywhere. Okay. And especially this playlist includes this 4.5 hours of free webinar to learn AI. Recently I did that, and some people suggested that, or their feedback was like audio quality was not that much good for certain time duration. So I have plans to do it again. But this time, that time when I was doing that, only few people joined. But if many people are interested in joining that kind of webinars, I will be doing it free webinars. But my plan is after doing some paid webinars. Okay, paid webinars in the sense, I'm just in the process of arranging it. Maybe specific topic specific like RAG, MCP, LangChain, like that. So I'm just just I started thinking about it. I'll be coming up with a detailed plan in 1 or 2 days. Okay. Right now, my focus is on getting registrations for my live AI coaching. That live AI coaching, it is for beginners, and it is for explaining everything about AI basics. Okay, so I already explained that my philosophy. We have to learn something about everything, then learn everything about something. So in that case, in case of AI domain, first of all, we need to know what are the things are there in AI. So we have to learn something about all the topics relevant to AI. Then we have to focus on any specific topic to learn completely about that topic. Okay. So personally, I already gone through the basics of various topics related to AI, and I decided to focus more on RAG, retrieval augmented generation. And you can also follow that something like first take my course to know the basics of all the related topics, and then focus on specific things. It can be machine learning, deep learning, that kind of model algorithms development, or doing data preparation, or RAG, or computer vision, or agents development. So agents developments are in good demand now. Okay, or AI10, that kind of no code, low code platforms for doing business automation. So a lot of things are there, but for doing that, or for understanding that, or to learn that, it is very important to learn the very basics of AI, how AI is working. First of all, what is AI, how it is different from standard or traditional programming, what is machine learning, what is deep learning. Okay, that kind of information we should be knowing, right? So for that, my AA course is more suitable. My recorded course also useful, but that is self-packed course. If you want instructor-led course, my live training is more suitable because of the interactive discussions and hands-on coding. And I will be able to guide the learner whenever they are stucking with in some places because of environment issue or unexpected errors, that right. So that will be helping them to move forward very quickly. That is, and we can learn from others. Suppose someone is saying that he is stuck in some place, and I'm helping to sort out that issue. Who are listening or watching that, they can also learn from that things, right? They need not do the same. They need not face the same thing, right? So that is the advantage of this Hogart batch based training. Okay, so that live sessions are like 16 live sessions, and it is going to start on August 7. Only 2 days are there, so mostly I will be closing the registration soon. And anyway, right now only few people join, but I don't know because many people are actually watching it. They may be planning to join the last minute. If it is crossing 20-25 limit, that I will be stopping it fully because I don't want to reduce the interactiveness. Okay, I want to keep the AI courses very interactive so that I can give some personal attention, and it is the purpose of having a live AI training, right? Otherwise, they can just purchase any recorded course, correct? Okay, so it is about my this live online coaching, which I'm going to start on August 7th. You can just register if you are interested. Okay, but this particular ebook, this today's offer is this one, as I shown through this Google Docs. It is for very simple and things. It is just to start learning AI, and it is for very beginners. Okay, but it includes advanced topics also, line graph, notebook element, just to give you some overview. Okay, but I haven't included anything about machine learning, deep learning, or any coding kind of not that level. Okay, it's for beginners level, but like giving some overview of topic. It's overall it's okay, that kind of book. That is what my personal thing. That is why I decided to keep it at exclusive. But this book, I put lot of hard work. That other book, Unlocking AI, right? It's a very informative thing. This one as well as my SQL book. Okay, SQL book also I did a lot of hard work and spent a lot of time to come up that book. I will show that. But I don't know why good books are not visible to the people. Okay, so that things who are watching this video, you have to take this to your friends who are looking for a skill book or thing. It's like a very useful book. Okay, for beginners, for advanced people, for AI developers, for everyone. This book, it's I can say that it's a guide or reference for any kind of skill development in the especially in the AI era. Okay, so just to go through that, if you have any negative feedback, feel free to share me. Okay, right now my personal opinion, yes, it's the best SQL book. I did a lot of hard work. I have a lot of experience with SQL, so I believe this book will be reflecting that experience. Okay, but I wanted to make it very simple also. Okay, it has around 265 pages and well organized. Okay, so this book and this book are really good. Okay, this one, and but unlocking AI. It's a very very good book. Okay, so just to go through that. But that person whoever gave that negative rating, their comment was. Like this book is combination of AI generated content and the badly broken, heavily accented English. Okay, it cannot be there, right? If it is generated by AI, the ChatGPT, that AI tools will be good at writing English, right? So that sentence itself is flawed, and moreover, based on my when I noted this. Comment when I analyzed the reading pattern, everything, so I couldn't um, say that this person already gone through the book. So it is without going through the book they have made this comment. That is what, without buying the book. So here obviously no verified purchase. So by the time when I released this, here only I first released. So there is no other way to read that book by that time. Just by seeing the sample, he wrote this comment. But that comment is valid. That I that first part of the command is okay. It's a generated. Okay, A generated in the sense I taken the help of AI like ChatGPT, that tool to write that content. But all the things, the seeding was done by me, like based on my lot of research and analysis about like especially writing blog posts and my experience with working with the RAG. Other things, based on all the things, I came up with this book, this Unlocking AI, that book. I will show that. Okay. So you can just get, if you want to know the quality of that book, maybe that audio book is free, right, for membership trial. So maybe you can check that, just thing, and just to check, read sample, a lot of things are there, right? So anyway, I set the price very low, right? As of now, it is just selling for 299 through Kindle. So in that case, you can just check it. If you feel that it is very useful, maybe you can order for paperback. Okay. But suppose if you're noticing any incorrect information or anything related to formatting, just you can inform me. I can correct that. But I already offered this book through my AA course for a lot of people by offering free offers through my um, website rajamanikam.com. That is the reason why I couldn't include this into the KDB Select program. Okay, but through my website, I got distributed this thing to a lot of people. But I till now I haven't received any negative feedback. So from that perspective, also I can say that it is somewhat okay, right? Anyway, as I said, you are not going to spend much, just 299. Okay, suppose if you are watching from India, always better to go to amazon.in. Okay, similarly if you are from Canada, amazon.ca, like that, right? So country specific local version of the Amazon you have to check. um, but some paperback other things that will be available at amazon.com only, I understand. Okay, so it's, I think if you are a regular Amazon user, you should be knowing which version you have to use in your country, right? So, uh, this particular live is to tell about this book, Start Learning AI Today. Okay, so it will be useful for beginners, and it is free today. You have to get it from this URL, or you can start the book name Start Learning AI Today at your local. Say, for example, if you are in India, you have to search, go to amazon.in. Start learning AI today. Start. Okay. You can find it. Okay. Suppose if it is not showing to you, maybe you can search my name and you can sort it based on the publication date. I will explain that. Rajamanikam Anthony Muthu. So here it is showing at first. If it is not showing at first, maybe you can click my name and then you can sort that based on the publication date. Sort by publication date. So it will be at that. top, right? Okay. But as you said, this is just to create some awareness, okay, like how to start learning AI. But if you're really interested in learning AI by putting a lot of effort and time, I would suggest buying this book, Unlocking AI. And remember to share your feedback and rating here, okay. So here I explained everything. Okay, starting from simple things. Initially it will be more or like that new book, and later on I added like this frequently asked questions by imagining or by going through various ways, like to come up with all the possible questions about AI. Okay, and I tried to arrange them in a categorical manner, but it's a bit difficult. Anyway, I tried my best to avoid any kind of duplicates. Okay, and then about all the things, learning resources, a lot of free links to a lot of free courses, and about Hugging Face, LangChain. Okay, like simple things like about understanding input window limitation, large language model, context window limitation, okay, and about computer vision, NLP. So almost all the basic things. Actually, first I started this book only. Then only I realized that now people are interested in watching tutorials. That's how my AI course has born. Okay, so here you can see that videos equivalent of that video. So video is a better way, right? And I put a lot of effort for creating that videos with the code samples, a lot of things. But if you buy my AI course, below the videos you can find the links for downloading the relevant code that are shown as a demo in the video. Okay, so my suggestion is better, instead of buying books in one place and we are watching video in another place, just buy this recorded course. It includes tutorial videos, downloadable tutorial videos with fully equipped subtitles and I mean closed caption, and a lot of e-books, PDF books and ebook that are available in both PDF format as well as ebook format. Okay, and below the videos you will be seeing like a code samples download option, and you can download the PDF files, you can download the videos, and you can download the subtitle. Like you can completely download and set up everything in your local, right? That kind of features are there if you buy the recorded course. Okay, that price is right now it is very very low. Just in case if you are in India, it is just 300 rupees. For other people, it is just $8 through PayPal, right? So that is what I can highlight here. So these books and everything are just to give some lead about my availability of that recorded course. Okay. Other advantages are I will keep on updating that recorded course, and I will keep on sending newsletters with latest information, not only about learning the AI, but latest happenings, innovations, market trending news. That kind of stuff will be really useful. But recently, because of my new batch, starting new batch on August 7th, I used to send promotion kind of stuff. That After that, once after starting the batch, I'll be start sending useful information again. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is, it is better to buy this recorded AI course from here. Limited time offer. This link is there, right? Click this limited time offer. Get the AI course. That link. But since this offer is available for this Kindle book, Start Learning AI today. Today you can make use of that, and you can just share it with others instead of sharing the promotional things. Like so say for example, I'm saying that this AI course is very useful one, but if you want to share it with your friends, they may be feeling something negatively, right? If you're pushing some paid products, so in that case you can just share this free offer with your friends, so they can go through that. And in that within the book I provided link to my recorded course. If they like my way of writing and that content, if they feel it's useful, they may be checking that recorded course, and they will be considering about joining that. Okay, let me check any question is there. Okay, so okay, it's right. We have to learn something about everything and then everything about something. Yeah, I don't know whether I said it correctly or in a reverse way. I don't know, but whatever you specified, it's a correct one, right? Okay. Any other questions? So the key things are, as a primary agenda of this live session, that a book, a new book is available for free. That Kindle version is available for free at Amazon. You can get it from Amazon by visiting the link provided in the description, or you can search this book name or my name on your respective local version of Amazon, your country version, and then just find that sales page, and you can download it freely. Okay, this is the first thing, primary thing about this live. The next thing is, whatever you are getting this book, it's not enough for learning completely. My suggestion is, if you prefer Amazon, unlocking a this book will be somewhat okay, but that book will be included within my recorded course limited time offer. Get this link, right? This link includes all the tutorial videos mentioned here. Mentioned means you can watch here also, but here without any ads, with the downloadable options, and with subtitles everywhere is there. Through Gumroad I'm offering just for 300 rupees or $8. Okay, so that is a huge opportunity. Okay, that is about second thing, recorded course. And another thing, third thing is about live coaching, which I'm going to start on August 7th. And if you are interested to learn personally, that will be useful for you. Again, that fee is very low only. Other similar live courses are, they are charging around $2,000 per person, right? But here it is just $150. That right now I'm offering discount $80. You can join. It will be like in India, it is just 3,000 rupees. Okay, I yesterday announced one offer also. If you're interested, you can check that. But anyway, in the decided for next things, I am not going to give this much low prices, because based on my research analysis, people are tending to join the highly priced courses. They are thinking that high price is good quality like that. So I don't know. I cannot simply change that mindset. So in the next batch, I will be setting huge additional price, and I will be using that to do the paid promotion instead of wasting my time for asking the people to share that. Better I will ask Google and Facebook by paying them to promote it automatically, right? That is all the businesses are doing that way. So I I will be also following that from my next batch. That is what, as I explained yesterday, that is what that lesson I learned recently. It's a very bad experience again. I don't want to do these things again just by hoping people to share that to their followers. So mostly these days, long back when we were studying long back, people are very much interested in sharing the offers, telling about free books, other things. That time it's completely different. So now the people's minds are conditioned in a way that we shouldn't share with others, but they're uh, like uh, uh, there, I don't know whether the corporates are purposefully doing something or it's happening naturally. uh, People oppose if someone is sharing offers to them. That offer may not be useful for that particular person, but his friend may be interested in that, right? Suppose if you feel that it is a good offer, he can just refer that to friends. But people are not doing. But by saying that it is wasting their time, there are like a lot of things. Recently, I personally faced that kind of experience. That is why I wanted to highlight here. I already talked about that in detail few days back. But they are okay with when Facebook, Google, everyone is pushing lot of ads. Okay, I don't know. Even that the ads are even having gambling ads, everything. But they are happy with that. Okay, but if someone is some of his connection is sending genuine offers, his own offer, they are not feeling that it is not tolerable like that. Okay, so it's like completely different. I don't know whether my connections are wrong connections, so that I'm thinking that way also. I keep on like disconnecting the people now after facing a lot of things. I started thinking about very deeply. Maybe my connections are in I am in the wrong connections network. So I just I like for that I'm just keep on updating offers everything so that people can disconnect. So people who are not interested in getting about offers and sharing with their friends, better they can go away, right? So in that way I'm just pushing lot the things from my newsletters. So as I expected, some people are leaving, so it's a good sign. So my approach is working. So I would like to have very effective, very like people caring about other connections. That kind of network I'm going to build. In my case, in the case of my YouTube channel, also it has 70,000 subscribers. There also usually I hesitated to share frequent videos something, but later on I realized that most of them are inactive only. So I keep on pushing. So someone is unsubscribing because of my frequent videos. That's okay, because my offers other things. They it will definitely help someone who is really needing that, right? If that intermediate connection is not caring about it, there is no need to have such connections. That is what I realized. So I keep on disconnecting or deconnecting the people. Suppose if you are watching this and you don't want to get any other offers or other things, but I will be sharing my personal things, like personally what am I offering. I am right now I'm not doing affiliate, but in the future I will be doing it, but I will be mocking it in that case if I'm doing. So if you don't want to, but I will be selecting based on like a lot of criteria if it is really useful. Okay, suppose if you don't want that things, it is better to uh, unfollow me or unsubscribe me or disconnect me. Okay, that I already explained. I want to keep very effective, very active connections. That is what I recently realized. I have a lot of connections. Like in case of Twitter, my Tamil Tech next that account is having 77,000 followers, and my channel, YouTube channel, is having 70,000 subscribers. LinkedIn connections are like more than 6,000, but they are not that much active. So instead of that, if I have only people who are really interacting with that kind of stuff, that completely different thing, right? It's like overall efficiency is getting reduced because of inactive or unhappy connections. Okay, so that is one thing I am going to do. And another thing, as I said, I would like to add a lot of new books to my Amazon book, and I will be talking it in a detailed way after um, coming up with my basic analysis. Okay, so but that plan is there, like restarting Amazon. Previously I put a hold by uh, thinking that it will be like locking with a monopoly, but right now I established rajamanikam.com as an alternative. So now I can freely or happily focus on Amazon, right? So for that purpose, I need to add a lot of books that can be included with KDB Select. That will be offering me the way to do the free Kindle promotion. So that's how I this book and Google Monopoly. That books are I'm releasing. But in the coming days, I have a lot of plans. I have like around 10, 15 ideas. I'll be doing it one by one, and in the process, I may get further ideas. So almost weekly 2 3 books I'll be releasing. Okay, and the other thing, yesterday I talked, right? Apart from all these things, I would like to restart my QPT Talk Initiative also. Okay, that means I am just restarting all my still or inactive things. Okay, I explored some things because of lack of success or probability, low probability of success. That thing I put them on hold. Now after doing more analysis, instead of spending projects to the time for doing projects to the clients, but I have plans for doing projects to client, but very limited time only. Okay, I allocate some time for doing a coaching other thing. But in the long run, maybe in 2 3 years, I would like to establish a good product, especially these kinds of courses and books, and software also, some kind of AI related good product. Similarly, similar to my timesheet product, right? Timesheet, though we developed it long back in the year 2008 itself, still people are buying it. Okay, so I have plans to update the timesheet also, but I don't know the recent requirements, right? So I would like to have some kind of discussions. Let me do one by one. So first thing is getting registrations for my live AA coaching, which is going to start on August 7th. That is my highest priority. And next one is like adding more books to Amazon. And next one is creating some kind of products. Okay, and parallelly I need to establish a good affiliate network for my Gumroad, rajamanikan.com. Already few affiliates are there, but they are not that much active. But as explained previously, I would like to keep active people. Okay, previously I used to hesitate that sending any updates to the people by thinking that they may not be liking that, right? So in that case, now I decided that if they're not liking that, better they can unsubscribe it. Okay, that is what my thing. Because suppose 20 people are there, if two people are not liking that, other 18 people are refuse getting they are denied with that kind of opportunity to get the updates, right? So in that way, I would like to better encourage the people who encourage the people who don't want to get updates. They can I encourage them to disconnect. Okay, let me check any question is there. Okay, no questions. Okay, so let me end with telling about this, reminding about this offer, right? Kindle offer. So buy this book. Let me check whether anyone started buying it. I mean, freely downloading it. So that sales rank not yet updated. Maybe they will be updating it later. Okay. Suppose if you face any difficulty, just let me know. Sometimes the price may be showing the actual price. Okay. Maybe cash issue or something, because previously I used to face that kind of thing. In that case, better refresh it or try it after a few minutes. Okay. Okay, that's it. I will be disconnecting now. Maybe we can discuss later. Okay. Bye. Thanks.